drifting side by side, tasting the flavors where new towns hide. We look for the sign of a cozy spot, local dishes steaming, giving all we've got. Paws and whiskers in the passenger seat, for fur balls riding curious and sweet. Every city calls us in, leaving traces where we've been. Rolling down another avenue, turning old friends into something new. Collecting moments, finding what knocks in a town so small. With love and laughter, we answer the call. Griffin'z tripping on and on this journey. That's where we belong. That's where we belong.
Come off?
Yes.
Yeah, it's coming off.
Wow.
Well, you know, when you said, don't worry about it,
Uh-huh.
I didn't worry about it.
Good. That's good.
I didn't worry about it.
This is beautiful.
So, what made you get into the business?
We had it on the front of ours, and my husband was looking for a way to get rid of it. And do you know who the owner of Ugly Shield is down in, well, the former owner of Ugly Shield down in Fort Myers Beach?
Okay.
Or Fort Myers?
Yes, the guy, I can't remember his name.
Yeah, Wayne McCulsey is his name. He did a bunch of videos on YouTube and everything, and I found his videos and sent them to my husband to look at. Well, he ended up calling him, and they talked for like an hour or two. And we were going to get his ugly juice, and Ellen gets off the phone and goes, I think we could do this as a business. Because Wayne's was like, he wanted to distribute his ugly juice.
Right.
And he said, if I just had someone in Arizona or Texas.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we were in Texas at the time.
Okay.
Beautiful.
And we wintered in Arizona every year. So we started talking about it, and he got back in touch with Wayne, and we ended up going down end of September 2022. That was when the hurricane hit and destroyed Fort Myers and Fort Myers Beach.
Yes.
Yeah, great
The
timing.
end. Right.
We were actually supposed to work with him for like a week, but it ended up just being a few days. We took our own film off, learned the craft, and then he sent us out on our own.
Really?
And actually we ended up teaching him some stuff
Okay.
that we
Nice.
learned,
Okay.
which was good.
So you've been in business for about 4 years,
This is
Yeah.
and you're loving it.
I can't say I love it,
But you do such a great job.
you know what?
Yeah.
I enjoy the end result. I'm not gonna lie. Getting up in the morning, especially this morning, I was really tired, and I'm like, I don't want to do this.
right.
We all
the
have
end-
those days. We
yeah.
all have those days.
But the end result, when I'm all done, and you see how beautiful it is, and it's like, it's gorgeous. It's
Yeah.
gonna be just beautiful. Now, you do have a couple of spots.
Okay.
So this right here is a flaw, and you can kind of see there's like little things there.
Yeah.
What happened, and then there's another one over right here.
Okay.
Right.
So what happens is when they put the film on, if there's a bubble in it, it means there's like a dot in the paint or something. So what they do is they pull it back and they sand it,
Right.
and they put it back up, and you don't know it's there till you take it out.
Gotcha.
Right.
But the last two I did had those,
Had it.
and I was able to buff them out.
Okay.
Okay.
So hopefully this one's a little deeper than this one. This one I know will buff out. This
Okay.
one's a little deeper. I'll have to buff it a couple of times, but hopefully it comes out. Just so you know, that is something that is common, and way more common in the newer ones
Right.
than in the old ones.
Okay. Your name is,
Shelly.
and your company name?
Glue Be Gone.
Glue Be Gone.
Glue Be Gone.
And
LLC.
you're servicing South Florida. I mean,
I
North
service
Florida.
everywhere, wherever I can go.
Really?
I
Oh yeah.
love it.
So
I've
we're
got-
talking about the
continental 48 states?
Well, wherever my
If the money is good.
wherever my husband is, I'm not. Because
Okay.
that's his territory. You
Oh,
know?
okay.
So right now he's in Wisconsin.
Okay.
I am actually headed back to Minnesota for my 40th reunion,
Okay.
beginning of August.
Okay.
I'm leaving July 15th. I have 4 of them in Georgia.
Beautiful.
And then I head home, and then I have 3 or 4 of them when
you come back.
down.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Griffin'z Trippin here. We're interviewing Miss Shelley from Glue Be Gone. She is I mean, if you saw that, we have some before pictures and after pictures
Yeah,
that
we
we're
have
going to
some
post.
left and we have some right.
Yeah, we have
pictures,
some
too.
on the left side,
Yes.
and then we have some on this is the right side of the vehicle that partially
It's
gone,
still working.
and she's still working.
Oh yeah.
And this is almost not finished, but it's
Beautiful.
All the glue
it's
is
beautiful.
gone.
All the glue is
It's
gone.
beautiful.
And then we'll buff it, and then we'll
Yes.
put the polymer that's exclusive to us.
Right.
Nobody
Yes.
else has that.
Okay.
Exclusive to us on there, which will protect that front forever.
Right.
And how do we contact? I'm sorry. How do we contact you?
You can go to gluebegone.net, or you can get a hold of me at 651-206-0766.
You got it, ladies and gentlemen. There she is.
Yes.
You have any more questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Griffin'z Trippin once again. Miss Shelley from Glue Be Gone. She's taking off the 3M diamond shield or what have you.
That
That
ugly stuff.
ugly stuff
ugly
that's on the
that
front.
sits there.
And she will come to you. You don't have to go to her. She will come to you.
Which
You
is
can come to me
amazing.
if you want.
Okay,
Right.
okay.
You know, I mean, you can. But if I get 3 or 4 in an area, then I will go up
You
there.
will
It makes
go.
it worthwhile.
Okay.
That is awesome.
That's all right. That's great. So,
Okay.
once again, Griffin'z Trippin. We are out.
All right.
Have a good one.
Ablaze, each new sunset paints the scene.